Right, guys. Broken harmonica. Reeds are fucked. Okay, this is my hotel. There was scaffolding in front of it when I arrived. I've taken that down. Only been here for a couple of nights. Yeah, it's kind of, I mean, yeah, I'll address the issues in a short while. Right then, so here we are, Llandudno. Really quite happy, to be honest, despite, I suppose, what should really be a disappointing hotel here. I mean, well, okay, light doesn't work. I was going to have a shower. There's no shower. I was going to wash my hair as well. I was going to wash my hair and condition it, but that's all we've got. Soap, one little bar of soap, and the mandatory useless. I mean, I don't know whether people actually use these things or not, but some people do gargle, don't they? But yeah, I mean, I do actually like this bathroom because I don't like the toilet paper though. I hate this kind of toilet paper. You know, you need like 10 fucking sheets to wipe. You know, I don't know. I don't want to talk about that. Let's not talk about that yet. Yeah, okay. So yeah, it's a bit kind of. I don't know how you describe it. I suppose run down 1960s, but I do like 1960s decor. What's that? Please ensure the shower curtain is placed inside the bath. Okay. Well then, what can one say? Yeah, they lied. They lied to me. They said there was a shower. And I said, has it got a shower? Because like I could see that from the description that there was a possibility it might not have. So some of our rooms haven't got showers. I said, has mine got a shower? They said, oh yes, don't worry. And of course, what's that? Oh, Jesus, is that like cleaning stuff or something else? I don't know. Okay, so that's that bit. That's the bathroom. The bed's okay. It's quite nice actually, but they're not very generous with their, like with the soap. They're not very generous with their sachets here. I can have three cups of tea. I've had 1 cup of coffee. 3 cups of tea. There's 3 milks as well. Okay, that's not too bad, I guess. Yeah. So, but still, I mean, maybe they'll replace those. I don't know. Anyhow, I'm charging my stuff up for tomorrow because I'm going to be doing some filming using these. Yeah, the room itself, it's just got this really kind of spy novel, Michael Caine 1960s vibe. Well, it has to me anyway. So, let's see what we've got outside. Right, there you are, you see. I just hope there's no rats around because I've got my window wide open.